Welcome back to JTV. Today we're sharing 10 must-know jewelry hacks. Turn a necklace into a bracelet. Have you ever looked at a necklace and thought about how great it would look as a bracelet? You don't have to guess anymore. You won't believe how easy it is to turn a necklace into a bracelet with our hack. Take your necklace and wrap it around your wrist until it's tight enough to not fall off and clasp it. That's all there is to it. Make sure to use our hack for putting on bracelets to make it even easier. Clasp a bracelet on your own. We all know the struggle of putting on a bracelet when no one's around to help you, but it doesn't have to be that difficult with this one simple trick. All you need is a hairpin, a paper clip, or tape. With tennis bracelets, tape works best for this hack. Secure the open end of the bracelet to your wrist with skin-safe tape that won't damage your jewelry. Then simply clasp the bracelet like normal and remove the tape. This trick also works if you hook a hairpin or a paper clip to your bracelet and hold the clip. No more bending your wrist to an impossible, awkward angle. Layer your necklaces perfectly. Everyone loves a good necklace stack, but it can be hard to make them layer perfectly and keep them from tangling and twisting throughout the day. With this simple hack, you can create the perfect stack every time. Take the necklaces you want to layer, but instead of wearing them as separate pieces, make one long necklace. Clasp each one together, but don't connect the last clasp yet. Now wrap it around your neck once for each necklace and clasp the last two together. Then adjust the length of each layer to get the look you want, just like you would with an endless strand of pearls. And never worry about your necklaces tangling together ever again. The easiest way to clasp a necklace. Bracelets aren't the only jewelry that can be hard to clasp. A necklace can be just as difficult to get on. Either you blindly try to connect the clasp behind your head and risk catching some hair in your necklace in the process, or you bend your neck in a crazy direction to see the clasp from the front, which is just as difficult with shorter necklaces or minus a mirror. But never struggle to get your jewelry on and off again with magnetic clasps. Just connect the clasp to your necklace and let the magnets do all the work. It's that quick and simple. How to untangle a chain. Sometimes it doesn't matter how careful you are with your jewelry, it tangles into a knot anyway. The key to untangling your jewelry is baby powder and a safety pin. Place your necklace on a flat surface and sprinkle baby powder over the entire chain. Gently work out the looser knots with your fingers, then use your safety pin to get into those tiny, tight knots. Add more baby powder as you need it. It helps the chain slip through the knots easier. With a little bit of work, your necklace is as good as new and ready to wear in no time. 2 hacks to transform a necklace. Transform a chain with 2 of the easiest jewelry hacks ever, and you can turn one chain into as many different necklaces as you want. All you need is your favorite chain and necklace enhancers. It's as easy as adding your enhancer to a chain, and you can have a new necklace every day. And this hack isn't just for enhancers. Try adding a ring to a chain for a similar effect. Either slip your ring right onto the chain or make a loop around the ring for more texture. Experiment with different enhancers and rings to match each outfit, or pair a variety of chains with the same enhancer for a subtle change. The possibilities are endless. How to make heavy earrings more comfortable. Some days call for a big, bold earring, but don't let the weight of a beautiful statement piece hold you back from the perfect look. Heavy earrings can be uncomfortable and pull on your earlobes, but there's a simple hack for this. Larger earring backs add more support on the ear. Use these replacement backs with any earrings, but especially heavier pieces for all-day support. Adjust the size of a ring. The sizes of our fingers change with the weather, and they naturally shrink when it's cold outside. A ring that fits in the warm sunshine can slip and slide or even fall off in the winter. You don't need to change out your rings or add bulky yarn to fix this. Just add clear silicone coils to the bottom of your rings to get the perfect fit. Slip the silicone coil onto your ring until it fits just right, and then cut off the excess. This is easy to get on and off, it stays put, and you can't even see it. Extend the length of a necklace. Sometimes a necklace just isn't long enough, but with this hack, that is never a problem again. Simply add a bracelet to your chain to extend the length. Choose a matching bracelet that seamlessly blends in, or mix and match with a complementary bracelet for a more eclectic style. In seconds, you can transform your pieces into a whole new look. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found these tricks helpful. Let us know in the comments, did we forget any hacks? And while you're there, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any of our future videos.